How to activate your Capital One debit or credit card. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. To activate your Capital One debit or credit card, you need to install the application of Capital One. Once it is installed, log in into your account. Then choose the account linked to your debit card. Make sure that when you're logging in, you enter the account credential linked to your debit card. At the bottom, you will see Activate My Card. Tap on it. Now, next step is the activation process. In order to do so, the first step is to enter your expiration date. Select Enter Expiration Date. Then, go ahead and enter the expiration date of your debit card. Once you are done from here, in the next step, you have to create a PIN. Now, in order to do so, go ahead and set a PIN to complete the activation process. Once it is done, verify the PIN one more time for the confirmation of your PIN. This is for safety and security reason. Once it is done, now to finally activate your card, slide to activate in this green bubble. Now just with a slide, your card has been activated. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.